What if this song
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do.
was sung by Justin Bieber?
Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow.
Let's do this using AI. First, I'll choose Justin Bieber's voice model. Then, as you can see, I have a downloaded file of Ed Sheeran's Shape of You vocals version. Now let's proceed by clicking on convert. We will now wait for the model to transform Ed Sheeran's vocals into Justin Bieber's. And that's it. The output is ready. Let's quickly download it. So now I'm about to infuse the iconic Shape of You music with Justin Bieber's transformed vocals.
Let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. I'm coming now for my
Drop a comment below if you're interested in a video on how to do this at home with any artist you like.
We push and pull like a magnet do.